Matrices. In this class we will see some simple questions and based on properties of matrices also. Before that we will see about the properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. In the previous class we saw about the what is the meaning of scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means you have to multiply with the constant to any matrix, then we need to multiply with each element of the matrix. Okay, we'll show one simple example here. If it is k equals to 2, then a equals to 1 2 1 3, then what is ka means 2, you should multiply each element of a, 1 2 1 3, so 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is the 2, 2 3 is the 6. This is the Ka. K is any constant here. Scalar multiplication means you are multiplying with any constant to the matrix, means you should multiply to the each element of the matrix. Okay, here some properties is there. K of A plus B equals to Ka plus Kb. After adding two matrix you can multiply with the scalar, otherwise separately you have to multiply with the matrix and add. After that you add that one. It is the one property. And another one, here we have the two constants k plus c. Here the two constants you are multiplying with the matrix A, then otherwise you can do with ka plus ca. This is also one scalar multiplication, this is another scalar multiplication. Here constant is k and here the constant is c. Ka transpose. Ka transpose means if they have given transpose sign, it's not affected to the scalar, means it's not affected to the any constant. You need to keep as it is, just you need to transpose of the a. Okay, if it is suppose for example 2a, 2 is here constant scalar, the transpose of this one you need to write 2 as it is, it's not affected to 2, it's a transpose of a. Both you will get the same matrix. Okay, we will see this based on these questions also. Next, now first question, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have, and what if it has 5 elements? Here two questions is there. If 18 elements, what are the possible orders? What are the possible orders here? If it is 5 elements, what is the possible order? Okay, the number of elements equals to number of rows into number of columns. Number of elements equals to, we know that one, number of elements equals to number of rows into number of columns. Here what is the number of elements here? It has the, in the first one question it has the 18 elements. I will write here. First one is 18 elements. Okay, 18 elements. The number of elements equals to, you should remember this one, number of elements equals to m into n. M means number of rows, again m means number of rows, n means number of columns. It's a rows and it's a columns. Okay, now we'll check this one. What is the question? What are the possible order it can have? What is the possible order it can have? First we will take one row, then how many columns will come here? I will see here one row. If I take one row, then column it should be 18 columns. So it is the one possible order. If it has the one row, means it should be a compulsory 18 columns. Okay, if I take reverse means if I take 18 rows, then how many columns will come? It's a one column will come. A1 into 18 is 18 into 1 is the 1. Next I will take, if it is suppose it has the two rows, compulsory it should have 9 columns, because 2 into 9 is 18, 2 9s are 18. It's reverse, if I take 9 rows and it's compulsory it should have 2 columns. then only it should be have the 18 elements, because 9 into 2 will becomes 18, because we will matrix means we are writing the elements in a row wise and column wise. So you know that one, how many the rows otherwise the number of elements equals to number of rows equals to number of columns. You will multiply number of rows into number of the columns, means you will get the total number of elements. That's the reason we should do like this. Okay, if it is suppose it has the 3, you need to check that one also, if it is it divisible by 3 or not. 18 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, because 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 9 is divisible by 3 by the properties of divisibility rule. Okay, so 3 into 6, so 3 6 are 18. So 3, if it has the 3 rows, means compulsory it should have, it will be a 6 columns. I will make the reverse of this one, 6 into 3. If it is suppose it has the 6 rows, means compulsory it will 3 columns. Okay, next, 18 is divisible by 4. No, 18 is not divisible by 4. 18 is not divisible by 4. It will come in decimals. Okay, if the 4 4s are 16 and the 2 will left, so it will comes in the decimals. So 18 is not divisible by 4, and 18 is not divisible by 5 also. 18 is not divisible by 5 also. We know the divisibility rules of 5. The unit digit should be 0 or 5, then only it is divisible by 5. So it's won't divisible by 5. Next it will come 6. Already we wrote, that is the 6 rows, 3 rows and 6 columns, 6 rows and 3 columns. It's over, we wrote here. So 18 is not divisible by 7. 18 is not divisible by 8. 18 is divisible by 9. We wrote that one. 2 into 9, 9 into 2, 2 rows, 9 columns and 2 rows. And 18 is not divisible by 10, because divisibility rule of 10 also we know that one. Okay, next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it's not divisible by any number. After that it is divisible by itself, 18 only. So 1 row, 18 column, 18 row, 1 column. Okay, 1 row, 18 column, 18 row, 1 column. Okay, so we need to check by divisibility rules also. Okay, so 18 elements, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? Means the possible orders are here 6. What are there? 1 by 18, 18 by 1, 2 by 9, 9 by 2, 3 by 6 and 6 by 3. It has the how many possible orders? It has the 6 possible orders. Okay, it has 6 possible orders. Otherwise you can write it out. It has 6 possible orders. Similarly, next question, what they have given, what if it has the 5 elements? If it has the 5 elements, what is the possible orders? Okay, now we will check from the 1, because 1 is the 5 is divisible, compulsory 5, all the numbers will divisible by 1, we know that one. So 1 row, 5 columns and 5 row, 1 column. After that 5 is not divisible by any number, because we know that 5 is a prime number. We know that if it is comes prime number, it's easy. You have only 2 possible of orders. One is 1 into 1 by 5, another is 5 by 1. Okay, if it is not prime numbers, you need to check that one. 5 is prime number, so it's divisible by itself, otherwise 1. It's divisible by 1 or itself. So the number of possible orders here, 1 by 5, 5 by 1. If it is suppose, if they ask what is the what if it has the 3 elements, if they ask the question, if it has the 3 elements, means it is also prime number. Then what is the possible orders here? 1 by 3, 3 by 1. 1 indicates the number of rows. So how many, if I am writing first, means it indicates the rows. 1 row, 3 columns, 3 row, 1 column. Okay, suppose if the question, I will write another one question. If it has the 6 elements, it's not prime number, so you need to check that one. Okay, till you need to check 6, because it's 6 na, so till you need to check 6. Is it divisible by 1? Is it divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? You need to check that one. Okay, all the numbers compulsory, it's anyhow it will divisible by 1. So 1 row 6 column, 6 row 1 column. Okay, and 6 is divisible by 2 also because it's a even number. 2 into 3, it has 2 rows 3 columns. I will do the reverse this one, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, next is it is divisible by 3 also. I wrote already 3 rows 2 column and 2 rows 3 columns. Over 4, 6 is not divisible by 4 and 6 is not divisible by 5. 6 is divisible by 6, already we wrote here. 1 into 6, 6 into 1. So how many possible orders for the 6 elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 6 element, the possible number of orders is 4. For the 5, it's only 2 because it's a prime number. If it is prime number of elements, you remember that one, it will come only 2 possible of orders only. Okay? Okay, next question. Second question, construct a 3 by 4 matrix. That meaning is 3 rows and 4 columns. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equals to 4i plus j. Okay, first I will write the 3 by 4 matrix, how it will comes. Okay, so solution. A equals to, it has the 3 rows. 3 rows means A1, A12, A13 and it has the 4 columns. 1, 4. A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Okay, it is the 3 by 4 matrix. What it indicates, one I indicates here first row. If I am writing A11, it indicates, 1 indicates the first row and 1 indicates the first column. Okay, I indicates the row and J indicates the column. 1, 2 I am writing means it's a first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column because it has the 4 columns. Similarly, first here I indicates the rows and J indicates the columns. So what the condition they have given? Aij equals to 4i plus j. Aij equals to 4i plus j. Okay, shall I write it directly in the matrix? So A matrix equals to here A11. A11 means 4 into I is here 1 plus J is here 1. I am writing 1, 1. Why? Because I equals to 1 and this is the place for I equals to 1, J equals to 1. Next, 4 into 1. I is 1. It is the first row. Plus J. J is which column? It is the second column. Next, 4 into 1. It is still, it's a first row only. 1 plus, it is a which column? Third column. So it's a 3. 4 into 1 plus which column? This one? Fourth column. So it's a 4. I indicates the row, J indicates the column. Hope all are you getting? Next, 4. I indicates the row. Which row? This is second row. I am writing in the second row. It's the first row. Completed is the second row. Which column? This one? It is the first column. So 1. 4 into 2. It is the second column. It is the second row only. 4 into 2. Third column. So J equals to 3. 4 into 2 plus fourth column. 4. Next, third row. So I equals to here 3. 4 into 3 plus 1, first column. 4 into 3, it is a third row only, so you need to write 3, 3 only. It is a second column. 4 into 3, third column. 4 into 3, fourth column. So I indicates here, I will write otherwise clearly. I indicates the rows, J indicates the column. Okay. Now we will calculate this one. Now the answer is 4 into 1 is the 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. 4 into 1 is the 4, 4 plus 2 is the 6. 4 plus 3 is the 7. 4 plus 4 is the 8. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 is the 9, 8 plus 2 is the 10, 8 plus 3 is the 11, 8 plus 4 is the 12, 4 3 is the 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 12 plus 2 is 14, 12 plus 3 is 15, 12 plus 4 is the 16. So our matrix is here. First row is 5, 6, 7, 8. Second row is 9, 10, 11, 12. And third row is 13, 14, 15, 16. It is a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay. Next question. If A equals to 360942 minus 15 and B equals to 6309 3 minus 369, then find B plus A. We need to find out here B plus A. I will write here. Directly I will write B plus A. What is the matrix addition? We need to add with the corresponding elements only. That meaning A11 is multiplied with the B11 only. A12 you know add with the B12 only. A13 you should add with the B13 only. It's addition you should add. Okay. You need to add with the corresponding elements only. So I will write corresponding elements. I am showing here 3 and 6. These two are the corresponding elements. So 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3. Next 0 plus 0. 9 plus 9. 4 plus 3. 2. If it is minus sign will come, directly you can take multiply and take, otherwise you can take in a bracket. Okay. 2 plus of minus 3. Next minus 1 plus 6. 5 plus 9. Okay, it will become 2 minus 3. Okay, now I will add this one. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is also 9. It's 0. 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 3 is this 7. 2 minus 3. So opposite sign we need to subtract minus 1. 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. This is the B plus A. B plus A plus B is same because commutative law is holds good. In addition, A plus B equals to B plus A. Because commutative law is holds good in the matrices. But in the multiplication, it's not holds good. AB is not equals to BA. You should remember this one. So in the multiplication, it's not holds good. But in the addition, it holds good. Next question. If A is 3 by 2 matrix and B is also here 3 by 2 matrix, find A plus B and A minus B. Okay. Solution. We will first find A plus B. How to add the two matrix corresponding element? We should add. So tell the corresponding elements here. 7 plus 4. It is a 7 plus 4. It is a place for A11. It is a B11. Next A12, B12. 2 minus 7 is there. Plus of minus 7. Otherwise you can take directly. Plus into minus is minus. You multiply in your mind and write it. 2 plus or minus minus 7. You write it like this. 2 minus 7. Okay. 8 plus 3. 6 plus 1. It's a B22. A22. It's a B22. 6 plus 1. And 9 plus, it's a minus 8 is there. You should take in a bracket. Okay. Next minus 6 plus 5. So it will become 9 minus 8. I am writing here only. Okay. What is 7 plus 4? It's 11. 2 minus 7 is, it's a minus 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 1 is the 7. 9 minus 8 is the 1. Opposite sign you need to subtract. Opposite sign you need to subtract. It is a minus 1. So it is a A plus B. Okay. Hope all of you got this one. Next, A minus B. Subtraction also same, you need to subtract the corresponding elements only. Okay, now we are doing the subtraction. 7 minus 4, 2 minus sign is there, again you need to take in a bracket, otherwise you multiply in mind and write it. Minus into minus is plus. 2 plus 7, you write it like this. Okay, next 8 minus 3, 6 minus 1, 9 minus of minus 8, minus 6 minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 plus 7 is 9, 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, 9 plus 8, it is minus into minus, it will become 8, so it's a 17. Both have the same sign. If it is both having the same sign means we need to add this one. 6 plus 5 is the 11. The sign is minus 11. So A plus B is this one, 3 by 2 matrix, and it's the A minus B. Next question. Evaluate 1 3 5 2 4 6. It is a 2 rows and 3 column, 2 by 3 matrix. It is also 2 by 3 matrix. It is also 2 by 3 matrix, and they have given the scalar multiplication. Here the outside they are given the constant means it is the scalar multiplication. 2 you need to multiply with the each element of this matrix. Okay, and 3 with this matrix, it is the scalar multiplication through. So 3 you should multiply with the each element of this matrix. Okay, first we will do the scalar multiplication, after we will simplify. Okay, solution. So I will solve directly. The first matrix you need to keep as it is, 1 3 5 2 4 6, keep as it is, plus I am doing here first scalar multiplication. So 2 you need to multiply with the 0, it's 0. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, minus 9 3 is 9 3 is 27, 9 8 is 24, 9 7 is 21, and 3 6 is 18, 3 5 is 15, 3 4 is 12. Okay, after that same sign we need to add. Here the first matrix and second matrix both having the plus sign. Here no sign means here also you need to understand it's a plus only. So both matrix having the same sign, so you should add that one. After that you subtract with the third matrix. So what is the addition? Corresponding elements you need to add. 1 plus 0, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 8, 6 plus 10, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15 and 12. Add this. 1, 3 plus 2 is the 5, 5 plus 4 is the 9, 2 plus 6 is the 8, 4 plus 8 is the 12, 6 plus 10 is the 16, minus of 27, 24, 21, 18, 15 and 12. I will write it here only. Next we need to do subtraction. Okay, so corresponding elements only you need to subtract. 1 it's 1 minus 27, 5 minus 24, 9 minus 21. So first row I will write first 5 minus 24, 9 minus 21. Eight minus 18, 12 minus 15, 16 minus 12. Okay, so 1 minus 27 is minus 26, because the 27 is greater, the sign you should take from 27 only. It's a minus sign, so it's a minus 26. 5 minus 24, again it's a subtraction. Minus 19. 9 minus 21, it's a minus 12. Again it's also subtraction. 8 minus 18 is minus 10. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. 16 minus 12, 16 is greater here, it will come plus sign, so plus 4. So this is our resultant matrix. Okay, hope all of you understood this one. Another question, A matrix, B matrix and C matrix. You need to find out 5A minus 2B minus 2C. This is also scalar multiplication. A you should multiply with the 5, B you should multiply with the minus 2, and C you should multiply with the minus 2. Okay. Now we will solve here. Solution. First I will write down this one question. 5A minus 2B minus 2C. Okay. Otherwise we will find out separately and add it. 5A. So 5 you should multiply with each element of A. 5 into 5, 2 into 5, 0 into 5, 1 into 5. Okay. So next, minus sign. You should multiply with I took minus sign outside, so you should multiply with the 2 with each element of B. 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 2, and 1 into 2. Again minus sign. C is also multiply with the 2. Each element is multiplied with the 2. Y minus 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 7 into 2, and 6 into 2. Okay. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. 0, 5, minus 6, 6, 8, 2. Minus sign as it is. Minus 2, 4, 14, and 12. Okay. Same sign we need to add. So both having the same sign, you should add. First matrix you keep as it is. 25, 10, 0, 5. So minus sign as it is. Same sign you should add. 6 plus of minus 2. 6 plus 4. 8 plus 14. 2 plus 12. I took minus outside here, minus I took outside, so you need to add that one. Okay, don't get confused here, both they having the minus sign, I took outside, so you should same sign you should add. So 6 plus minus 2, it's minus is there, so we have taken the bracket, it's 6 minus 2. So 25, 10, 0, 5. Second matrix will come. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 14 is 22. 2 plus 12 is the 14. Now you need to subtract. 25 minus 4. 10 minus 10. 0 minus 22. 5 minus 14. So the resultant answer will come here. 25 minus 24, the 4 means it's a 21. 0 minus 22. 5 minus 14 means it's a minus 9. Next question, if A equals to 2, 4, 3 minus 5, then find A dash and the means transpose of A, and you need to find out the A square. Okay, solution. A equals to here 2, 4, 3 minus 5. What is transpose of A? Transpose of A means first row changes to first column. What is the first row here? It's a R1, it's a R2. So interchanging rows into column means it's a transpose of matrix. The first row is 2 and 4. It will become first column. Now see here, first row is 2, 4. I wrote in a column wise. Second row it is 3 minus 5. I will write it in a column wise. So it is a transpose of A. Next, A square. How to find out A square? A square means it's A into A. A you should multiply with the A only. 2, 4, 3 minus 5. 2, 4, 3 minus 5. How to multiply? First matrix row wise, second matrix column wise. You put the arrow mark like this. First matrix row wise, second matrix column wise. Okay. So I will write it here. First row, this is the place for the how to multiply here. R1, C1, R1, C2, R2, C1, R2, C2. Okay. First row, first column. Row from the first matrix, column from the second matrix. So 2, 4, 2, 3 you should do. See here, 2, 4 and 2, 3. You should solve this one because it's the R1, C1. R1 you should take from the first matrix and C1 you should take from the second matrix. So first element 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Are you getting? 2 into 2 into 2. You should write here 2 into 2. In between you should take plus sign, and 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Okay, are you getting? Next, first row it is a second column. So 2, 4, 4, 5. This is the place for first row, second column. It is a C1, it is a C2. It's a R1, it's a R2. Now row 1, column 2. 2 into 4 plus 4 into minus 5. 2 into 4 plus 4 into minus 5. Next, row 2, C1. 3 into 2 plus minus 5 into 3. 3 into 2 plus minus sign is there, you should take bracket into 3. Next, second row, second column. 3 into 4 plus minus 5 into minus 5. Both you take brackets. Okay. Now just calculation is there. 2 plus 2 is the 4. 4 plus 3 is the 12. 4 plus 12. 2 plus 4 is the 8. 4 5 is the 20. It's a minus 20. 3 2 is the 6. Minus 15. 12 plus 25. So simplify this one. 4 plus 12 is the 16. 8 minus 20 is the minus 12, because 20 is greater, you should take minus sign. 6 minus 15 is the minus 9, because 15 is greater. 12 plus 25 is the 37. Okay. Transpose of A means just you have to interchange rows into column. A square means you should multiply A into A. You have to multiply A into A. Using the first matrix you have to take row wise, second matrix you should take as a column wise. Okay. Solve for A and B. 3A plus 2B they have given the matrix, and 2A minus 3B they have given the matrix. In the linear equations we solve this type of questions. Okay. We solve this type of questions in a linear equation, same as it is here. The left side is as it is and right side they have given the matrix. First you have to cancel any one matrix here by the coefficient multiplication. After that we need to find out first one matrix. After that you need to substitute the one matrix value in the any one of the matrix. Okay, 3a plus 2b equals to which matrix? This one, 21 16 1 21 2 12. Okay, second matrix is 2a minus 3b minus 12 minus 11 5 1 minus 16 8. Okay, first we will make we will cancel one matrix here. So you have to make the coefficients are equal. So if you want to cancel b means you have to make the coefficients equal. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. So first the equation you have to multiply with the 3 because 3 2s are 6b, and second one you should multiply with the equation you should multiply with the 2. Okay, 3 3s are 9, so it will become 9a, 3 2s are 6, 6b. So it's a scalar multiplication. So 3 you should multiply with each element of this matrix. So 3 into 21 is here 63, 3 into 16 is 48, 3 into 1 is the 3, 3 into 21 is the 63, 3 into 2 is the 6, 12 3 is the 36. Okay, next you should multiply with the 2. 2 into 2 is the 4, 4a minus 6b minus 24. 2 you should multiply with each element of this matrix. 24 minus 22, 10, 1 into 2 is the 2, 16 into 2 is the 32 minus 32, 8 to the 16. Okay, first matrix each element is multiplied with the 3, and second matrix each element is multiplied with the 2. Now we will get cancel one matrix here. 6b minus plus 6b minus 6b is get cancel here. So 9a plus 4a is 13a. So we should add the matrix here. 64, the corresponding elements only. 63 minus 24, 48 minus 22, 3 plus 10, 63 plus 2, 6 is the minus sign is there, plus into minus is minus, I am writing directly, 32, 36 plus 16. Okay, 13a. Okay, 63 minus 24 is 39, 26, 3 plus 10 is 13, 65 minus 26, 52. Okay, next a will I will write here only, 13 I will take on the right side, it will 1 by 13. So here each element is divided with the 13. It's a 1 by 13 is there. So 39 divided by 13, 26 divided by 13, 13 divided by 13, 65 divided by 13, minus 26 divided by 13, 52 divided by 13. So each are divisible by 13 here. So 13 3 is 39 here. Shh. 3, 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13. So 13 5s are 65, minus 2, 13 4s are 52. So a value here 3, 2, 1, 5 minus 2, 4. So for finding the b, you need to substitute in any one of the equation, in a 3a plus 2b, otherwise in a 2a minus 3b. Okay. Okay. Now we will write the first one. 3a plus 2b equals to, what is that matrix? 21. First row is 21, 16, 1. Second row is 21, 2, 12. Okay. We will substitute in this matrix. Now see here. It's a 3 into a. Scalar multiplication is there. So I will write it a here. 3. What is a here? It is a 3, 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 4. Plus 2b we will write as it is. Equals to 21, 16, 1, 21, 2, 12. Okay. Now what is this one? It's you need to do the scalar multiplication. 3 you need to multiply with each element of this A, matrix A. Okay. So I will write directly. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 minus 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, plus 2b. The matrix is 21, 16, 1, 21, 2, 12. Okay. Next I will do one thing. I will take this matrix in the right side. So it will become minus. Okay. The sign will change. Same. We will do in numbers, in integers, same as it is. 21, 16, 1, 21, 2, 12. Minus of this matrix. What is this matrix? 9, 6, 3, 15, minus 6, 12. You need to subtract. How to subtract? We know that rule. Corresponding elements we need to subtract. So 21 minus 9, 16 minus 6, 1 minus 3. 21 minus 15, 2. It is a minus 6 is there. So minus into minus it will become plus 6. Okay. 12 minus 12. So what is 21 minus 9 here? It's a 12. 16 minus 6 is it's a 10. Minus 2. 21 minus 15 is plus 6. 8. 12 minus 12 is 0. Equal to 2b. Okay. Next you have to take this scalar constant on the right side. It will divide. So b equals to here 1 by 2. Write on the same. 12, 10 minus 2, 6, 8. It's 0. 0. So divide with 2 to the each element of this matrix. So I will write in detail. 12 by 2, 10 by 2, minus 2 by 2, because it is scalar multiplication. You have to 1 by 2 you should multiply with each element. So it's a 1 by 2 now, so you should write like this. 6 by 2, 8 by 2, 0 by 2. Okay, then b equals to 6, 10 2s are 5, 2 2 is it cancel, minus 1, 3, 4 and 0. So what is our b here? B equals to 6 5 minus 1 3 4 0. What is a? We got a equals to 3 2 1 5 minus 2 and 4. They asked to find out a and b. So this is our a and this is the b. Okay, hope all of you understood this one. 9th and 10th questions are based on the properties of scalar multiplication. Okay. What is scalar? The one property is there. A transpose of A equals to, sir. It's a properties of transpose. Okay. Solution. What is A here? A equals to 2, 7, 3, 4 minus 5 and 6. It is a properties of transpose. So what is we need to find out transpose of A equals to A. First we will find out the transpose of A. What is transpose of A? Row changes to column. First row is the, what is the first row? It is the second row. 2, 7, 3. It will become first column. Next row is 4 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 5, 6. First row changes to first column here. Now check this one. And second row changes to second column. 4 minus 5, 6. So it is the transpose of A. Again we need to find out the transpose. Transpose of A. So again you should write the first row as a first column. It's the first row, second row and third row. 2, 4, it will become first column. 7 minus 5, it will become second column. 3 and 6, third row, it becomes third column. Now just check this one. It is same as it is our A. So transpose of A equals to, it's A only. Therefore equals to A. Okay. Next question. A matrix they have given. It is a scalar. The multiplication property here, this one, for this phi A dash equals to phi A dash. It does not affect with the any constant. Okay. First we will find out the phi A. Solution 5A. So it is scalar multiplication, means you have to multiply 5 with each element of A. So 1 into 5 is 5. I am not writing, I am writing directly. 5 into 2 is the 10. I am multiplying A with 5. Each element of A with 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 is 10. 5 4 is 20. 5 6 is 30. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. Okay. Next, transpose of phi A dash. Phi A dash, phi A transpose. So how to write this one transpose? Row 1, row 2, row 3. What is row 1? You should write in a column wise. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. It is the first row changes to first column. What is second row? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. It changes to second column. Third row is 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay. This is, we will give the equation number 1. Now we will find out the 5A dash. Okay. First we will find out the A dash here. 5 will keep as it is. What is A dash? Transpose of A. 1, 2, 3. So it is first row changes to first column. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you multiply. It is a scalar multiplication. So 5 you should multiply with each element of A transpose. Okay, 5 into 1 is the 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 4 is 20. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 6 is 30. 5 3 is 15. This is the 2. Just compare the equation 1 and equation 2 here. Here both having the same matrix. 5, 10, 5. First row, second row is 10, 20, 10. Third row is 15, 30, 30, 15. So comparing 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We can tell that 5A transpose equals to 5A dash. Okay. Hope all of you understood this one. In the next class we will see more questions. Okay. Thank you.